Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for inviting me. I'm really happy to be here. So today I'm going to be talking about, today I'm going to be talking about a possible future where AI doesn't just serve as a replacement or a simple tool, but also as a collaborator as people do their tasks. And I'm going to be talking specifically about visual analytics. And so for those of you who don't really know, so visual analytics is the science of analytic reasoning facilitated by interactive visualizations. And essentially what this is about is it's focusing on an area where you have to work with data, and we're assuming that neither the human nor the computer can do the task on their own. So it really needs that collaborative aspect. The history of this is that visual analytics really started out where we used to do work with scientists, domain scientists, and people in government. In fact, visual analytics was born out of a response of 9/11, where they had data, but they actually didn't really know how to utilize that data to predict something that drastic. And so some folks, Thomas and Cook, they wrote Illuminating the Path, and that's where visual analytics was really born. And we've made lots of progress since then, and that is somewhat signified by the tools that are now widely available, which means really anyone can create visualizations. So here we have an example of Tableau, Power BI, and D3 for making bespoke style visualizations. But the thing about it is that the goalpost is constantly moving. I should say that a lot of these illustrations were done in collaboration with DALL-E and ChatGPT-4, so you might see some weird artifacts. But yes, the goalpost is constantly moving, and for one, who we consider our users are constantly changing. So instead of working solely for domain scientists or people in the government, we might be creating visual analytics tools for someone who might be looking for a home, so someone at home looking for a new house. Also, even the complexity of data just is constantly also changing. So even when you have powerful tools like Tableau or Power BI, we still need some help because of the volume of data. So this is where AI might be able to step in. And so the idea here is, again, imagine an AI that observes what you do and learns what task you're doing and help in achieving that task. This is easier said than done, but I want to give you like a simple version of the scenario that I'm talking about. In a simple version of visual analytics, you have a human interacting with visualizations through a computer, and the idea here is